Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate DealMachine for lead routing in DealFlow. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate DealMachine for lead routing in DealFlow, start by logging into your DealMachine account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the settings menu located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, look for the integrations section. Click on the integrations option to access available integrations for your account. Next, search for the lead routing features within the integrations list. Select the lead routing tool that best fits your business needs. Follow the prompts to connect the lead routing tool to your DealMachine account. After connecting, configure the settings for your lead. Specify how you want leads to be distributed among your team members. Adjust any parameters, such as geographic preferences or lead types. Once the settings are configured, save your changes. Now, navigate to the Deals section of your DealMachine dashboard. In the Deals section, start inputting your leads to initiate the deal flow process. Upload any existing leads you have by using the import feature. Make sure to categorize your leads based on specific criteria for better management. After importing, monitor the deal flow status from the main dashboard. You will see real-time updates on how leads are being routed and the status of each deal. Utilize the reporting features to analyze your deal flow performance. This will help you identify areas for improvement in your lead routing process. Finally, make necessary adjustments to optimize your lead management and deal flow efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.